Today you search for MailerLite email campaign tutorial. I'm going to walk you through a regular campaign from the dashboard to the sent report. Open your browser, go to MailerLite.com and sign in. Once the dashboard loads, click Campaigns in the left sidebar. You'll see Drafts, Scheduled, and Sent campaigns. Click Create in the top right. Choose Regular Campaign because that's the standalone newsletter type. On the next screen, click Start from Scratch. Then select the drag and drop editor. I use this for nearly every campaign. The editor opens with an empty email body. Drag a text block from the right sidebar into the body. Type your heading into that block. Drag another text block below it and type the main message. Highlight the heading and make it bold. Drag an image block under the message. Click the upload area and choose your image from your computer. Once it uploads, click the image to adjust its size and alignment, and drag a corner handle to shrink it if it's too tall. Drag a button block under the image. Enter the button text like read the full post. Paste the destination URL into the link field. Click the button block and check the URL in the settings panel because missing or broken links are the most common mistake here. Now arrange the content. Drag the heading to the top, then the main message, then the image, then the additional information, then the button. The footer stays at the bottom. Keep it simple with one image and one button for most newsletters. Open the design settings. Change the font, colors, background, spacing, alignment, and button styling. I changed the button color to match your brand instead of leaving the default blue. Scroll to the footer and make sure the unsubscribe link is there. MailerLite adds a default footer, so don't delete it. When it looks right, click Done Editing. MailerLite takes you to campaign details. Type an internal campaign name like April Newsletter Launch. Subscribers never see this name. Now enter the subject. This is what subscribers see in their inbox, so keep it clear and relevant. Type something specific like your April update is inside. Below it, enter a pre-header. Use it for context, for example, 3 changes we made this month and 1 free resource. Now set sender name and sender email address. Use a recognizable name and your own domain email. I would not use a no reply address because people reply to newsletters. Under Recipients, click Select Recipients. Choose the groups or segments that should get this. You can also exclude groups here. Check this carefully because a wrong list sends your email to the wrong people. If you need more precise targeting, open Advanced Recipient Options and add filters based on subscriber information or campaign activity. Review the tracking settings. I leave opens and clicks on because you want that report data. Add Google Analytics tracking if your site has an account, and set the source to newsletter. Choose the campaign language because MailerLite uses it for the unsubscribe page. Then click Continue. You're now on Review and Scheduling. Click Preview to see the desktop layout. Check that everything is positioned correctly, then open the plain text version preview. Make sure the important information still reads well without the design. Now click Send a Test. Enter your own email address and send it. Open it in your normal inbox. Check the subject, pre-header, sender, text, images, buttons, links, spacing, footer, unsubscribe link, and mobile view. If anything is off, go back and fix it before sending to real subscribers. Now choose when to send. The options are Send Now, Send Later, Deliver based on time zones, and Smart Sending on eligible paid plans. If it's ready, choose Send Now. To send later, choose Send Later and pick the date, time, and time zone, then click Schedule. For an international audience, use Deliver based on time zones. On eligible paid plans, Smart Sending picks the best time per subscriber using AI. After confirming, the campaign appears in the outbox until it sends, then moves to Sent. To cancel a scheduled campaign, go to Outbox. Find the campaign, click More, and choose Cancel Sending. Once it's in Sent, you can't cancel it. After delivery, go back to Campaigns and then Sent. Find the campaign you just sent, click View Report. This shows opens, clicks, unsubscribes, and spam complaints. Use that data to compare against your next campaign. To reuse this campaign, go to Campaigns, find it in Drafts or Sent, click More, then Duplicate. MailerLite creates a copy in Drafts that you can edit. One difference to keep straight: a campaign is a standalone email to selected subscribers. An automation sends automatically based on triggers and conditions. Use a campaign for newsletters and an automation for welcome or follow-up emails. If this got your first MailerLite campaign out, hit like and subscribe. And leave a comment saying this was helpful because comments help other people find the same walkthrough.